trees. They hold the ground for you. The height of this tree,
Sapot.
the rooting system, they planted close to 14,000 trees. Dami. So the whole idea, we can find them later, okay? They're wild, they fly all over the place. See? Wood and the bamboo, we go in the farm. Okay?
Yung location niya. So dito yung buhos ng tubig.
Pas na lang. Lumalo ka mga poste, kita niyo bilog-bilog. Kasi ito yung mga unang structures na tinayo. Yeah, this one. Oh.
Yung pangkaligar. That's wala po.
Oh my God, money gold.
No need.
Super amazed. So we started researching kung anong klaseng program sila. Ba't sila nandito, kung naligaw lang. And what because they pull it underground.
Yeah. Kaya na bowl daw. Pag nalagyan puro brass.
Are you scared? Kayo naman. That's my first time. Kasi you just do your inhale. Exhale. Okay lang. Okay. It's okay.